Want to stop yourself from snoring? Keep watching. Snoring can be a sensitive subject to discuss. Because of this, it can be difficult to learn exactly how you can eliminate snoring while sleeping. Yet, you can use the advice from this video to help you on your way towards getting rid of your snoring while you sleep. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. Many snorers have found varying levels of relief by purchasing one of the many snore prevention products on the market. There are sprays to moisten the throat and nasal passages which can be effective in some cases. There are also nasal strips which pull the nasal passages open for a better airflow. Steer clear of alcoholic beverages to help calm snoring. Alcohol can relax your jaw and throat muscles too much, allowing them to slip back. This can make for noisy snoring. Alcohol has also been shown to add to a sometimes deadly disease known as sleep apnea, so steer clear to stay healthy. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. As you read earlier, many people do not feel like they can talk about snoring problems with others. Now, you have some methods to deal with snoring. You can feel free to discuss snoring with others, and help yourself as well as others. Everyone can benefit from this knowledge. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.